Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the second video on these Thanksgiving cookies and we're focusing on the pumpkin and the acorn. Begin by flooding the bottom part of the acorn with brown icing. Let me start off by saying my icing for this acorn was a little too thick. I made it work okay, but I definitely had to spend more time getting it to smooth out than I like. While the icing is still wet, add 3 white dots. Once that's had a chance to crust over, you can ice the top half with icing that's a few shades darker than the bottom half. Once that's had a chance to dry, outline the top and do diagonal lines each way to give it a little bit of interest. Next, we're working on the pumpkin design. I like to draw on my guidelines with an edible marker to make sure everything is evenly spaced. Fill in the 2 outside sections and let dry. Once those sections have had a chance to crust over, fill in the middle section and let that dry. Next, draw 3 lines that overlap and add any flowers you like. Add a stem and some leaves and you're all done. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section and I'll see you next time.